East St. Louis ranks among the poorest cities in America. Today, Governor J.B. Pritzker went there to spotlight what he says are devastating federal cuts to Medicaid and food assistance.
He cast the issue as a moral test for the country and sharpened his criticism of the Trump administration. Our political editor Mark Maxwell has more on the governor's message and the broader ambitions behind it. Mark?
Yeah, you could almost hear Governor Pritzker sharpening his stump speech for a presidential primary. Yes, he spoke of budgets and benefits, but also of the bonds that hold a nation together. He urged Americans to stand by people who have the least. It was a message crafted for those living in hardship and delivered in a place that knows it well.
Poverty grips East St. Louis harder than just about anywhere else in the nation.
Linda, what do you want? Chicken and beef.
And with poverty comes hunger.
This area is a food desert.
Mozetta Riley understands why long lines form here every day when she serves up free food.
They making a choice between paying bills and buying groceries.
It's not just seniors who struggle to find that next meal. Census data shows nearly half of the children who grow up here live in poverty.
Bills are getting higher.
When Moriel White rations food stamps hoping they last the month, she has her son, her future, and her health on her mind.
He's a growing boy, and I'm a growing stomach.
A few months from now, she'll have a third mouth to feed.
Being pregnant is like, dang, no money's coming in right now. And a lot of people's not going to hire anybody that's pregnant.
When she took her place at this table Tuesday, a governor joined her.
SNAP alleviates poverty.
J.B. Pritzker taking aim at policies backed by President Trump.
Tariffs.
Expressing solidarity with those struggling to make ends meet.
When there's a tariff on it, it's a tax on us.
Do you think Democrats should run on poverty and hunger in 26 and in 28?
We're not the ones looking to give a massive tax cut to the wealthiest people. It's the other party.
Just next door, the Healthy Choice Marketplace invites people living in poverty to spend their SNAP benefits. The owner estimates food stamps make up about 40% of his business.
What kind of things are people buying?
All the chips, candy, sodas, and some food.
GOP cuts to federal nutrition assistance come as some red states restrict the use of food stamps on junk food.
If governments can tax cigarettes, for example, to encourage people or discourage people from unhealthy habits like smoking, should government policy use SNAP benefits to nudge people toward healthier diets?
Before we start talking about what we're going to cut out of people's diets, how about just making sure that people actually have something to eat?
On policy, Pritzker did say he remains open to reforming SNAP benefits to encourage healthier diet choices. But on politics, the White House fired back, saying, quote, as usual, J.B. Pritzker is wrong. Officials there said President Trump is, quote, strengthening SNAP to ensure these programs are sustainable for future generations. They also defended new work requirements and measures they think would fight fraud.